just want you to go back home. She's crying every day. And
she's sick.
She's sick. And you're getting sick as well. Sadam radwala mufunide kwa just kudagala. And the bad thing, you don't want to eat. And there's no any way you can survive without eating. Because I know you cannot eat our food, that's why I went outside and brought your food. But you failed to eat.
I don't have appetite.
Tukwaniriza gwene akatuyengako ku Nyondo Media Nyondo Rozet. Unaku regulo twagenze ku kisaawe ate ntujja omwana ono. Of course mwana mubuggo si muna Uganda. Gwene yabe ekitundu ekyasoose wakirabye. Lwaki ta stories zineeno kibe ekyokulabirako eri abo batamanyi olw'ensonga nti bano abaana balimbibwa mu ngeri emu oba endala ne babeeranga ate bagwa mu nsobi. Njoga lulimi Luganda gwe nnanda bango ndi mu Uganda gumanyi Oluganda gwe lulimi Luganda manyi onfuna era yona gye musinzire okubanga mutulaba mukola kyamaanyi nnyo. So mwana ono story mwagirabye gye twakoze era ne tusana tukomawo naye waka neera nga mumanyi nti nno omuboggo ababoggo si bantu bojja okubanga atoyakiramu ennyo nga oba Abannayuganda era ebintu bijja kubanga bikwatibwa mpola mpola. Wata ino nakubiddeko mwami kikomeko kuba muntu gwensoko okwebuuzaako singa mba nsinkana embeera ezifaananyeko bwe ziti nabanga mpa ku magezi. Kiri yangambye omwana ono mbeere nga mukeeza olunaku olw'enkya mbe nga musisinkana tube nga tugenda te ku deportation center abeere nga ate agenda ne passport copy ye nateera nga wandiseeko ne namba eza simu eza sponsor we oboyo omukyala boss we abadde amuteekamu ekikolwa ate babeere nga abakulu b'amateeka baba nga bakwasaganya ensonga eyo kubanga ate faawe tukola ki tetutuuka wale tugaidinga mwana kumutuusa mu kifo ekituufu nawo wagenda okufunira obwenkanya era nga tusaba Mukama Katonda omwana ajja kubanga afuna obwenkanya abeere nga ate adde waka. Olunaku lwennyini yo twamulese naku lweggulo mama w'omwana yatukubiddeko ntugerako naye nenga omukazi ali maziga akaaba okufaako obufi gamba muyambeeko omwana wange naye nga ye embeera so kibe kyakulabirako mwena Bannayuganda abaliyo kubanga ffe tuli okwazibula maaso otwa ebikolwa nga bwe tusirika tubanga ate abaisuddeyo gonna nagamba so n'olw'ensonga eyo olina gy'oli Munnayuganda omwana ddala ow'obuwala abantu banneeno tebanoonya bantu bakulu banoonya abaana bato bano batuzaalangako bakula bulungi obwana obuto emyaka emito ddala so ne babaleeta ne bateekamu embeera. Omwana ono yatunyumiza gwenna yatulaba mu pati yasooka yagamba nti omukyala yamuleeta kubanga ono omwana is a fashionista as in she's a
stylist.
Yeah, she's a stylist. Wanviiri bulungi nnyo akola bikika kya nviiri. So omukyala yamwetamu embeera nti waliwo saloon ogenda kubanga ojjanga okola ate obenga ofuna ku ssente namuteekamu ya ticket namuteekamu visa namuleeta waneeno okumuleeta waneeno era omwana gatunyumiza gwe wenna ate abiraba ngeza kujjukiza gwe nga mpita muko lukwakwayo we yamuleeta waneeno ate namugamba agenda wansi ku kikubo tandika okunoonya ate abasajja nga business gyamulelera muwafisa yali yamu omwana yakolayo bbanga lyali tono nnyo nasinkananga embeera tajja kugisoboka gwe wenna ayasuwa ekitundu ekyasooka era omwana yatugamba nti nga newankubadde ali mu mbeera zezekikyala omukyala agenda nga namugamba gatekeyo kotoni okome ogenda okoleki okole you came here to work. So yembeera omwana gye yayitangamu mpaka yatuukese nawulira nga mutuufu yaako ate omwana alina emyaka 20 so kyewuunyisa omwana ngo niyandibadde nga ate ali ku ssomero ate nga paving away for her future byebintu byali musawe sawe nalisita akagala okudde wakatalina wakolaki talina waayita. So zenda ekitundu kyaffe ekyokubiri okubalaga kikigenda mu maaso era kitugenda okuzaayo so nnaku olw'enkya tujja kuba nga ate tukeerako obukolokolo tube nga tugenda ku deportation center tulabe ekinadirira. So did you talk to your mother today?
Yeah.
Did you talk to your mother today?
Yes, talk to my mother.
What is she saying?
She is crying now. She said I should come back home.
She just wanted to go back home. She's crying every day. And
she's
how
sick.
she's sick, and you're getting sick as well. Sadam rado yale mufunide kwa just kudagala, and the bad thing you don't want to eat. And there's no any way you can survive without eating, because I know you cannot eat our food. That's why I went outside and brought your food, but you failed to eat.
I don't have appetite.
You don't have the appetite. You are a younger girl. The reason that's why we've done this story is simply because there are also other girls who are in Nigeria who are going to fall into the same trap, just like you. Yes. So the reason as to why we do this, not simply because we want to expose you whatever, because it's not you who brought yourself here, you understand? So we shall cover your face, don't you worry about this. You're not the one who brought yourself here. The lady who brought you here, she's already okay, doing very okay. And now we want those people outside there to get to know how you are being tricked into this thing, so that at least if it happens, or if it's to happen to them, they can get to know how to get out of it before it happens, before it is too late. Because these people, they happen to give the visa and as well the air ticket, portraying that they're having jobs. When you're reaching here, there's no any way you can run out simply because they take away the passport from you and the visa. So there's no any way you can escape from them. Remember, also, you're a new person here.
Phone too. They will take your phone and your SIM card too.
The one you came from your country, they take it away from you.
Yes.
Then how do you communicate to your people back home?
I crammed my mother's number already. I already have my mother's number on my head. So that's how I called her and told her everything. Because this lady, she was speaking with my mom, telling my mom that don't worry, I'm okay. But my mom don't know what was going on. So I have to tell her everything. So she now said I should bring money I have and send for my mother. The money I've worked, 20K. She now tell my mother that she is the one that sent her the money, that don't worry, I'm okay, that she will be sending them money. But my mom did not know I'm the one that went outside sleeping with men and send her the money. That not tell my mother everything, that she's not the one that sent her the money, I'm the one. Look at what she brought me here for. That everything she's saying is a lie. My mother now start crying, so I should come back home. I don't want to go.
You want to go back home?
Because already there, I was working with one lady in a salon. Before this lady deceived me, said she have salon here, that should be paying me better money than that one. So I have to come. But it was not like that. It was not like that.
It was a different story.
Yes.
She told lies to you. She didn't tell the truth.
She deceived me, deceived my mother too. So everybody thought, yes, it's true.
How did you get to know this lady? Do you know her back from home?
No, there was a lady there in Nigeria that came to me, tell my mom and me that she has a sister here in Dubai, that the sister is working here, that I should come, that she's looking for someone to work with her, that I should go. She knows how to work very well, that I should go there and join her. I know everything was a planned work. Both that lady knows everything. She knows that this is the business I'm coming here to do. But because if she bring me here, they are going to pay her. She's like an agent too. So when I get here, that's when I knew everything. That lady too there is the agent. She would lie for you. Then when you get here,
she paid her money already.
Yes, paid her money.
Now, do you know that lady? Did you know her before, or you just got to know about her the very day she came?
That lady, I know that lady. My mom used to sell fresh fish. She used to work fresh fish. So she saw the lady. She told my mom that, see, she has business for her daughter in this country here, Dubai. So she explained to my mom. My mom said, okay, she will tell me first. My mom came, told me everything. I said, okay, as long as it's the business I'm doing here, and I know how to do it very well. No problem. And she will pay me good money. I will go there because my dad is late and the background is very poor. So I have to come and work and send them money. But it's not like that. I have to go back and manage that one I'm doing there. It's more better than this one here.
I thought it's only happening among Ugandans, but as well. So this means all over the world is happening. So let this be just a warning, and let this be at least a lesson to those ones. If a other person comes to you and is promising to pay each and everything for you, just get to know the business they're taking you for. So for you already, you've fallen into the trap, let me say that. Now, what message are you giving to those ladies who are outside there, who are outside there in your country, who are not knowing anything that is happening here? Maybe one day they can as well be convinced in such a way, and they're coming here. What message are you giving those people?
I want to tell them that if anybody comes telling them come to this country for any work, if they have any work over there, they should manage that one and work there and have that little money they have there. If not, they come here, maybe it's too late, or maybe they can't locate someone that will help them get back to their country. Some people die here. There is a lady here, a girl, that madam pushed her down from upstairs because she sent money for her mother. The lady found out and pushed her from upstairs to down. That girl died instantly, and that lady now they have arrested her. So I will tell you guys, don't think of coming to this country or anybody come to deceive you. Manage that one you have there, work there, or if you want to come, you look for money, or maybe your family help you and provide money, you use yourself and come. You share, you work your work. If not, there is no work here. They don't give any work here. It's prostitution they do here, no work. Nothing like work. Please, don't listen to anybody that tell you to come this country. All lies. That's what I have to say.
Thank you so much. So, esusuubira nti nyina bingi by'okusingako by'okwogera katulinde paka olunaku olw'enkya tugenda kuba nga ate tutwala omwana ono ku deportation center. Of course ne passport copy ye ne namba y'essimu eyo omukyala eyamuleeta oba mukama we, ate ababeere nga bamateeka basobola okuba nga bamukwasaganya, then tulabe ekiddako n'engeso omukulu ya mwana kuba nga akola ki ngadde ewaka takumira mpeera watukuumire tandikirawo nkya.
Omukyala yeekuumira ku mulembe nina essanyu okukwanjulira banno ba Nyondo Glam. Bano bakuleetedde ekizigo ekipya katale ekiyoyota olususu lwo ne kijjamu embalabe, enkova eza buli kika, binnamakula, enkanyanya, endwadde z'ensusu zonna, wamma n'odda buto era n'okuuma ekitiibwa kyo. Nyondo Glam basangibwa Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Al Ain n'okwetooloola ekyondo kya Buwarabu. Gwali e Uganda basange Nyanama okumpi ne Movit, okubira ku noti 775 M5 noti 8 oba gwali e Dubai kuba ku noti 524 680 noti 778. Nyondo Glam tukukuumira ku mulembe. Buli lwolowooza ku mugaati ogw'omulembe era omuwoomu ddala, lowooza ku Baker's Choice Bread okukolebwa banno ba Baker's Choice Bakery. Bano bakola ne keekisi eza buli kika omuli ez'amazaalibwa, keeki z'embaga, keeki z'okwanjula, baby shower cakes, graduation cakes, donati mu bika eby'enjawulo, burger bread, loaf bread, amandaazi, beddies n'ebintu ebirala bingi. Kuba ku noti 7 noti 3 9 4 724 oba noti 7 noti 8 234 6 9 oba plus 971 589 961 826. Baker's Choice Bakery. Taste the Baker's Choice.